So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket, and as you can see on my screen, I'm trying to use Kimi K3 on OpenCode. Yes, you heard it right. As you can see, K3 is my new model that I'm testing with OpenCode. So first of all, let's build something. Let's see how Kimi K3 operates on OpenCode, and then I'll tell you how you can do the integration as well. So let's get started. First of all, let me create, what shall we create? Create a basic Streamlit app for dashboard monitoring. I think this would be a cakewalk for Kimi K3 model. It's very easy. I just want to show you how good the model is with open code also. We have already run a number of videos with Kimi K3 on be it Cloud Code, be it creating different types of application, and this is a basic tutorial on how to use Kimi K3 with open code as well. So by the time it has started thinking, as you can see, let me open another tab. And how I connected the model, you can go to manage models and here search for Kimi. So there are two options to do it. One is Kimi for coding. This is a separate API key that you need to create. I'm not using that. I'm using K3 from the default URL. So what I'm doing, I'm providing a custom. So I'll search for custom here. And once you enter custom, you need to provide the provider ID. You can mention it as Kimi. Display name is also fine. The base URL for Kimi is, I'll be showing you that, moonshot.ai.v1. I think an API you need to create. So let me show you that too by the time we generate the Streamlit app. What should the dashboard monitor? Demo KPIs. Let's submit this. So it's thinking. Here you can create your API key. And if you have any doubts, just go to ChatGPT and it'll tell you what is the base URL. So this is the base URL I am using. Base URL for Kimi APIs. This is the base URL I'm using, and I have created an API key for myself that I've added in the custom model section. So now I'm able to use Kimi K3 in my open code arena as well. I have a full screen this one. It is working. It's a little slower right now. The model is huge and was giving great performances on the KimiK3.com as well as on Cloud Code also. But for the first time trying it open code. Open code is quite popular with everyone. So by the time, let me ask it, hey, which model are you? It's had started thinking now. The API has gone a little slower, what I assume. As you can see, I'm open code powered by Kimi K3 model ID. Kimi forces Kimi K3. So this is the model I'm using. Now quick smoke test. I think it is able to create the dashboard for us. Start headless, hit the health endpoint, and then stop. So using Kimi K3, the best open source model is quite easy with open code also. If you can't host the model, that is very difficult to do. You can also use the API key, create that one on on moonshot.a.com. Use a base URL. If you have any doubts, ask ChatGPT for Kimi's base URL, create the API, and yes, you are open to go. It is asking me to run it. Can I take actions to let me see? I think anti-gravity is able to take action, so I need to check whether this has the capabilities or not. And yes, the app has started now. With this, it's a wrap. Do try out how to run Kimi K3 on OpenCode, and you can use the best coding ID with the best open source model. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.